Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Henry. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about myshedplans before you make a purchase. I also have some important warnings, so make sure to watch the video all the way through to avoid wasting your money. First, a word of caution: be careful about where you buy the product. myshedplans is only sold through its official website. To make things easier for you, I've included the link to the official site down below in the video description and pinned it in the first comment. Now, I'm here on the side of your screen doing this review to share my personal experience and help you decide if myshedplans is right for you. What is myshedplans? myshedplans is a comprehensive program designed to help both beginners and experienced woodworkers build wooden furniture from scratch. It features over 12,000 detailed woodworking plans that show you exactly what to do and what materials you'll need for various projects. Does myshedplans work? Is it worth it? Absolutely. myshedplans is an affordable program that truly delivers on its promises. Each plan comes with step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow, including complete materials lists, cutting lists, and dimensional drawings. This way, you know exactly what you need to get started. Even if you have zero experience, you can still successfully build your own furniture. The detailed instructions, along with pictures, will guide you through the entire process. Money-back guarantee. The creator of myshedplans also offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the product or it doesn't meet your expectations, just send an email to customer support, and they'll refund your money, no questions asked. So, there's really no risk in giving it a try. Final thoughts on myshedplans. That's my honest review of myshedplans. I hope this video helps you decide whether it's the right fit for you. It's a fantastic program that makes building wooden furniture simple and accessible, with clear step-by-step guidance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.